How to fix Snapchat Crystal not showing. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Snapchat Crystal not showing problem. The first thing you want to do is update your Snapchat application. For that, open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once your application has been updated, open it. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and here you should find the option of My Snap Crystals. Now, if you're still not finding this option, then it might be because you are not eligible for Snapchat Crystal. So basically, crystals are awarded to the eligible creators that engage in payment eligible activities on Snapchat. There are different criteria that you have to fulfill to become a qualifying creator. You must be a legal resident of an eligible country. You can check out the eligible countries from the Snapchat support page. As you can see, these are the countries that are eligible. If you are not in one of these countries, then you are not eligible for Snapchat Crystal. If you are in one of these countries, then you must have your profile set to public. Your Snapchat account must be at least 1 month old and you must have at least 1,000 followers. Now, once you are eligible, you want to engage in the payment eligible activities on Snapchat. Now remember that crystals take 14 days from the time of appearance in the All Activity section of Crystals Hub to move from pending to available, at which time they will become available for cashing. Once your crystals are available, your total balance and cash out value will be displayed at the top of the Crystals Hub. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.